Okay, having this question to solve for a cube minus b cube is equal to what? We know that a cube minus b cube is equal to what? A minus b into what? A square plus b square plus ab. Okay, that's what we have from here. Okay, what we are going to find now is to find a minus b. We have already a square plus b square, that is equals to 3. What is a minus ab? Okay, you know that from a plus b, all that square, that is equals to what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, that's what we are going to be having. We know that we are having this, hence we are going to have what? A square plus b square is equals to this, and you have a square plus b square, that is equals to what? A square plus b square is equals to 3 plus 2ab. Okay, we know that a plus b is equals to 2 and square is equals to 4. Therefore, 2ab is equals to what? We have to bring this 3 here. That is 4 minus 3. Therefore, ab is equals to half. Okay, that's our ab. Okay, we have already ab. Okay, ab is equals to half. What we are going to find next is what? A minus b. We know that a minus b, all that square, because we cannot have a minus b from a square plus b square directly. It's impossible. We know that a minus b square is equals to what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. That is from a minus b and a minus b. We do multiplication, that will be a square minus ab minus ba minus b square minus that will be plus b square. That will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, that's what we are going to be having while computing at this level. Hence, we are going to having this, that will be equal to what? What is a square plus b square? That is 3 minus 2 into half. What is half into half? Okay, that will be that will be equals to 2. Hence, a minus b. Okay, we know that we are having a minus b square is equals to this. Okay, hence that will be equals to 3 minus 2 into half. A minus b will be equals to 3 minus 1. Okay, that will be equals to 2. Hence, a minus b is equals to what? Square root of this man. Okay, that is what we're going to be having as a minus b. Hence, our a minus b is equals to what? Root of 2. Hence, we can just bring everything back to be having a cube minus b cube is equals to what? A minus b. What's a minus b? Root 2 into what? A square plus b square, that is 3 plus ab. What's ab? Half. That will be equals to what? Root 2 into 3 plus half, that is 6. That is 6. Yeah, 7 on 2. Is it? Yeah, so do LCM, you have on 2. That will be 2 times 7 plus 6 plus 1, 7. The answer will be what? 7 root 2 all over 2. That is our a cube minus b cube. And we come to the end of this video. Subscribe to the channel.